Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's assembly. It's Monday, the 13th of March. The title for today's assembly is Be the Change You Wish to See. This morning you're going to hear from Sophie, Summer and Isla, and they're going to share with you their thoughts on the change they wish to see. They're also going to talk to you a little bit about the Aylsham High Harbour Club. What we're looking for are a new group of students to take the work of the Harbour Club forward over the coming years.
For me, there is always going to be something in the world that needs to change. We are surrounded by broken systems, unfair laws, hurtful stereotypes, and major injustices, some on a global level and others scaled down to schools and communities. Even when you're aware of these issues, it can sometimes be difficult to find your voice. However, the change that I want to see is people actually being aware. I believe it is so important to take active steps in recognising the challenges that other people face. To remain in ignorance can sometimes be more hurtful than you might think. We should find out why something we've said might be wrong, understanding what mistake was made in order to not repeat it. If someone is passionate about a certain topic, for example feminism, support for asylum seekers, LGBTQ rights and so on, everyone should listen to them. Understand more about the diverse people who make up the rest of the world beyond our friend groups. Holding on to prejudice and stereotypes creates so many barriers and makes life a narrow tunnel. I think you can apply this to lots of aspects in life. If your friend is struggling with something, don't let them feel like there is no one. You might not be able to help fix everything, but you can make it a little less lonely. Educating people is one of Harbour's main goals, and it's definitely an important reason for why I'm a part of the group. I've loved being able to help teach about equality, kindness, and having a judgment-free mindset, as well as learning new things myself. Our assemblies, newsletter, and trip to UEA for a talk about becoming a school of sanctuary has all helped with this. What I really want to see Harbour become is something that inspires people to do further research themselves, to take the initiative. In the end, we should all be able to open up to the possibility of difference, instead of fearing it.
The change I wish to see in the world is for everybody to be physically and mentally safe. I hope for a world where every person in every country can wake up without feeling threatened by others or their government, so they can live their lives true to themselves without secrecy or fear. Being physically safe deeply connects with mental safety. By this I mean I wish everybody will feel safe to express how they feel, what they dream of, and how they present themselves to the world, whether that's by fashion sense, religion, gender identity, sexual orientation, culture, and endless other ways. For me, Harbour is an important group as it shares these hopes for safety, equality, and freedom, but it also takes action towards this dream. By qualifying as a school of sanctuary, we can welcome those who are seeking safety and celebrate who they are. Recently, I took part in a Ukrainian poetry session arranged by the school. Not only did I learn important translation skills, but got an insight into Ukrainian culture and heard more from our other students' experiences. I would recommend joining Harbour to everyone. It's so rewarding and helps make the change you wish to see reality.
In the Harbour Club, we try to become the change that we wish to see. What we mean by this is that we want to show people who society marks out as different that they too can be part of the complex system that we are all part of. Imagine that all of the world, all of humanity, is one massive machine, the cogs turning perfectly, the circuit boards straight lines, everything made of the same metal and plastic. This is sort of a stereotype of what the world is like, everyone being the same, and all thinking identically. Forget that model. Now imagine another machine. Yes, some of the machine is all the same, but others are new and fantastic shapes, the circuit boards containing hidden technology that makes them appear to be plain, but actually means that they turn ones and zeros into fantastic images. Some of the cogs have dual functions and they make the machine turn faster, and ultimately that model is going to work better. The model that is interesting is made of thousands of different parts. This is how real life is. No one is the same, and stereotypes, while they can look better in a uniform image, ultimately don't work as well as a diverse society. Because if everyone was the same, the world would be really boring. In the Harbour Club, we support those who are going to turn society into an incredible, ever-changing organism. We are supporting the awesome thing that is the future. Recruiting now.
Harbour Club meets every Tuesday lunchtime in room 4. Students in Harbour Club experience all kinds of different things, from writing articles, interviewing others, and researching key issues. We've even featured in the Sunday Times magazine this year. We take part in fundraising and family learning opportunities, and overall, our goal is to educate others and share stories of migration and issues surrounding sanctuary. Our goal is to maintain our School of Sanctuary status, which was achieved this year. In 3 years' time, our status will be renewed, but it's dependent on having a team of students to lead that across the school. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.